Ever wondered if your email was read or ignored? In the digital age, this question is more relevant than ever. Imagine being able to know exactly when your email was opened, or if the recipient clicked on any links within the email. This is where email tracking comes into play. Email tracking is an essential tool in the world of communication. It's like having a superpower that tells you not just if, but when and where your email was accessed, providing invaluable insights into your communication effectiveness. But how does it work? It's quite simple, really. When you send an email with a tracking feature enabled, it embeds an invisible image or a tracking pixel in your email. When the recipient opens your email, this pixel is downloaded and voila! You get a notification that your email has been read. Stay with us to discover how to use email tracking to your advantage. Now that you understand what email tracking is, the next step is to choose the right tool for it. In the vast digital ocean of email tracking tools, how do you find the one that's right for you? Well, it's all about considering three key factors: ease of use, compatibility, and privacy policy. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of ease of use. An email tracking tool should be as intuitive as possible. You don't want to spend more time figuring out how to use the tool than actually tracking your emails. Look for a tool that offers a clear, user-friendly interface with straightforward instructions. Moreover, consider whether they offer good customer support. If you encounter any issues, it's crucial to have a responsive team ready to assist you. Moving on to compatibility. Your email tracking tool should seamlessly integrate with your preferred email platform, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other. The last thing you need is a tool that's incompatible with your email service. Before making a choice, do a compatibility check. Does the tool support your email platform? Can it work across different devices like your computer, tablet, or smartphone? These are essential questions to ask. Finally, we come to the privacy policy. In this age of data breaches and privacy scandals, it's crucial to choose an email tracking tool that respects your privacy and that of your recipients. Make sure to check the tool's privacy policy. Does it collect any personal data? If so, how is this data used and stored? Remember, a tool that doesn't respect privacy is a tool best avoided. Now let's put it all together. When choosing your email tracking tool, ensure it's easy to use, compatible with your email service, and has a solid privacy policy. Don't rush the process. Take your time, do your research, and make an informed choice. Remember, the right tool makes all the difference in effective email tracking. Scene script. Once you have chosen your tool, it's time to set it up. The first step is to install the email tracking tool. This process typically involves downloading the tool from a trusted source, such as the tool's official website or a reputable app store. Some tools also offer browser extensions, which can be installed directly from your browser's extension store. Next, you'll need to authorize the tool to access your email. This step is crucial because it allows the tool to monitor your outgoing emails and notify you when they're opened. To do this, simply follow the prompts provided by your chosen tool. You'll typically need to enter your email address and password, then grant the necessary permissions. Now let's move on to enabling tracking for your emails. This usually involves toggling a switch or checking a box within the tool's settings. Remember, you can usually choose to enable tracking for all emails or only for specific ones. This flexibility allows you to tailor the tool's functionality to your needs. Some tools also let you customize your tracking preferences. For example, you might choose to receive notifications every time an email is opened or only when it's opened for the first time. You might also opt to track clicks on links within your emails, which can be incredibly useful for measuring engagement. Once you've completed these steps, your email tracking tool should be fully set up and ready to use. And there you go, your tool is now ready to start tracking. Now that your tool is set up, let's dive into how to track your emails. Sending a tracked email is a breeze. When you compose a new email, simply select the tracking option. This could be a checkbox or a button, depending on your tool. Once you hit send, the magic starts. Your email is now equipped with an invisible beacon that sends back data every time someone interacts with it. Now let's talk about interpreting this data. When your recipient opens the email, you'll receive a read receipt. This shows you exactly when your email was opened. It's like having your very own digital postman delivering a confirmation right to your dashboard. But it doesn't stop there. You also get to see click-through rates. This is the percentage of recipients who clicked on a link in your email. High click-through rates are a good sign. They show that your content is engaging and your audience is interested. Remember, these metrics are more than just numbers. They give you insights into your recipient's behavior and preferences. Did they open your email but didn't click the link? Maybe the content wasn't compelling enough, or perhaps the call to action was unclear. These insights can help you refine your strategy and improve your future emails. With this information at your fingertips, you can now gauge the effectiveness of your emails. All right, to wrap it up, let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We began our journey by diving into the concept of email tracking. Remember, it's all about knowing when and where your emails are being opened and by whom. We then explored how to choose the right email tracking tool. We discussed the importance of considering factors such as ease of use, functionality, and cost. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your tool aligns with your needs and budget. Next, we walked through the process of setting up your chosen email tracking tool. We highlighted the importance of following the steps correctly to ensure that the tool functions as intended. And finally, we delved into the actual tracking of emails. We showed you how to monitor your sent emails, gaining insights into the recipient's interaction with your message. Now, you are well equipped to track your emails and never again wonder if they've been read or ignored. Go ahead, give it a try.